Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a crucial repair that many car owners may face, replacing the ignition lock cylinder. If your key won't turn, or you're having trouble starting your car, this video is for you. Let's get started. What is an ignition lock cylinder? The ignition lock cylinder is the part of your ignition system where you insert your key. It provides a secure way to start your vehicle and can wear out over time, leading to starting issues. Tools you'll need: screwdriver, flathead and Phillips, wrench set, pliers, replacement ignition lock cylinder, vehicle owner's manual. Safety first. Before we begin, ensure your vehicle is in a safe location. The engine is off, and the keys are removed. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid any electrical issues. Remove the steering wheel cover. Next, you'll need to access the ignition lock cylinder. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws securing the steering wheel cover. Carefully pry it off to expose the ignition assembly. Locate the ignition lock cylinder. Once the cover is removed, locate the ignition lock cylinder. You'll see a small release pin or screw that secures it in place. Remove the old ignition lock cylinder. Using your screwdriver or pliers, press the release pin or remove the screw. Gently pull the old ignition lock cylinder out of the ignition assembly. Install the new ignition lock cylinder. Take your new ignition lock cylinder and insert it into the ignition assembly. Make sure it clicks into place securely. Reattach any screws or pins you removed earlier. Reassemble the steering wheel cover. Now it's time to put everything back together. Align the steering wheel cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the battery. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and ensure everything is tight and secure. Test the new ignition lock cylinder. Finally, insert your key and test the new ignition lock cylinder. Make sure it turns smoothly and starts the engine without any issues. Conclusion, and that's it. You've successfully replaced your ignition lock cylinder. Regular maintenance like this can save you time and money in the long run. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY automotive tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.